Aloha guys, welcome back to my channel. And tonight me and Navea had a little walking date. Navea had a little doggy date too. So my coworker and her doggy came walking with us. It was very nice. So this is day 2 of walking, day 2 of eating well. Like I've been eating plant-based, so I'm off to a good start. Alrighty guys, so stay tuned if you want to see what I made for dinner. Look, you want this? Stella, you're so funny, Stella. You got a little treat today? Yes, girl. She's having a treat. And Miss Stella here. Everybody, this is Miss Stella. Look at her. She's a cutie pie. We're having our snack.
A reward.
Alrighty guys, so tonight I'll be making some kind of pasta. And for pasta today, I'll be using this gluten-free yellow lentil pen. Made only from yellow lentils. And it is gluten-free. I got this one from Target. So this is my second day doing plant-based. And it's going so good so far. So that's very good. So I'm just gonna go make my pasta right now. Hey guys, so welcome back. So today I'm doing my second day of vegan food. I've been doing good so far for these past 2 days. I'm just gonna start up a healthier diet. I want to aim towards a vegan, but for now I'm gonna do slowly. Maybe have meat a couple times a week, and the rest will be veggies. So today I'm gonna just make my own recipe of pasta. So let's get started. So I just got the rest of the bell pepper that I had the other day, and then I'm gonna throw it in here. I'm gonna cut some onions and throw it in there as well. Oh, never mind, my shirt is all wet, but what I'm doing is just making enough for myself. And so I just got a little bit of onion, and I just have this thing in my head what I'm gonna do. I don't have a recipe for it, but we're just gonna go as we go. We're gonna, you know, put whatever you want inside. Okay, here is the other part. I am just gonna Owie. we're gonna do this. So I got some basil that I froze. Oh, it smells so good. I'm just gonna throw this in here. I'm just gonna use all of it because I love basil. Throw it in there. Also gonna put some tomatoes and mushrooms in there as well. Almost forgot about my tomato. I almost forgot about my mushrooms. So I'm gonna cut this all up. I just threw everything that I chopped up and I'm just gonna fry it for now. I'm gonna saute the mushrooms with my onions and bell pepper and stuff. So let's gonna let that cook for now. I'm gonna put some of this black peppercorn in there as well. I did put some tomatoes in there, added the pepper. Now I'm gonna go and add some salt. Got this Hawaiian salt. I'm just gonna do a pinch or two. One more time. I think that was bigger than a pinch. That's what it is, Hawaiian salt. Make it creamy, I'm gonna use coconut milk again. When I used coconut milk in my other dish, it was really good. I didn't even taste the coconut. So I'm gonna use coconut to make this creamy. Yeah, it's kind of looking good. I can do this. This is Good and Gather plant-based coconut oil. I keep saying oil, but it's milk. And I'm gonna put the pasta inside. That kind of looks, it's kind of tasty, guys. I like it. This is how it looked, kind of a little watery, but it's I'm just learning how to, just creating any kind. So I got a little toast with nothing on it, and then my dinner. Okay, sorry, but I just finished showering, and then I don't have my tripod here, but let's try and taste it. Okay, nothing tastes as good as the regular pasta, right? But you gotta adjust. I gotta adjust. So this is, it's not too bad. A little bit hot, but not too bad. The pasta came out. Alrighty, guys, this is my Vlogmas day 6, guys. And I did go walking with a co-worker and her pooch. She bring her doggy too. It was nice. And Nevaeh got to walk with another dog. It was really nice. They were behaved. So we're planning to do that at least once a week, so that's nice. Alright, guys, so I will probably see you guys in my next video. This is day 6. I got day 7 to go to. Alrighty, see you guys in my next video. Mwah.